This video is brought to you by volunteeraudio.com, your #1 source for all things Harley Davidson audio. From individual radios, speakers, and amps to complete plug-and-play amp and speaker systems, we've got you covered. And once you've ordered your package from Volunteer Audio, it includes lifetime tech support. And we have the very best step-by-step installation video so you can install it yourself and save money. Hello, this is Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. And in this video, I'm going to show you the final steps of our installation on this Road Glide. We've already put our amps in, our speakers in, we've ran wiring back to our battery, we've put our gas tank back on. Everything's been done, but now I want to show you how to reinstall your fairing now that you're complete. To reinstall your fairing, we're going to need a couple tools. We're going to need a #2 Phillips screwdriver, a 1/8 Allen if you have the small Allen head screws around your windshield, a 3/16 Allen head to do some of the side marker bolts and such, and a T25 Torx. You may also need a panel removal tool depending on if you need to pop any of these grills in and out to line things up as you're going. So let's get started with our video. This is going to cover 2015 to 2023 Harley Davidson Road Glide, and we're reinstalling the factory fairing after our audio upgrade. All right, so we're going to take our fairing, we're going to simply just slide it on, being mindful that we line up each one of the sides so that each one of the grooves line up and it fits in place. We always start with the bolts next to the speaker grills first. It is a T30, we normally use our T25 because it fits it just fine. It doesn't go that tight, so no risk of stripping anything out. But we're going to start both of these. I'm going to start the one on this side, then move to the other side, because that's going to hold our fairing in place as we continue on. I find this is the easiest bolt to put in while holding the fairing by yourself. Moving to the other side, we've made sure that that fairing is in place and lined up properly, and now we're going to start the Torx bolt over here as well. These are our new Hertz speakers that we put in this install. All right, so we just kind of put these in. We don't go crazy tight with them yet. Make sure we can get everything else lined up. All right, so now we're going to take our little side marker lights. We're going to take our 3/16 Allen tool, put the bolts back in those. So one of these on each side. What I like about these lights are they are mounted to the fairing, so you don't have to worry about them falling out as you're taking the fairing on and off. Now we're going to take our T25 and put our Torx screws on each side on the very lower hole from our inner fairing to our outer fairing to tighten that down. All right, we're going to go ahead and snap our speaker grills in since we've got those upper bolts tight. It just has a little ear that slides in and then 2 clips that hold it in. If you look at the back side, you'll see how that works. We also have upgraded grills available from Volunteer Audio that look a lot better than these plastic grills, but they are optional. We want to plug our side marker lights back in here in the fairing. One connector on each side. Now we're going to take that upper vent panel, make sure that we line it up here, and then it just snaps down. Very, very easy install. Now in this one we use a #2 Phillips because this has a factory style hardware. We're going to start a couple of the bolts here before we try to slide in our windshield. Find it's easier to start a couple of them, then put the windshield in, then tighten it. This way we can make sure that we get our bolts in good and straight, and we don't have to worry about possibly getting it cross-threaded in those brass inserts. Very simple process. Now we're going to tighten down each one of our bolts, each one of our screws. Tighten it enough that it holds the windshield in place, but do not over tighten it. We don't want to risk possibly cracking or breaking the windshield. So if you just did a 2-speaker system, this is the end of it and you're done. If you're also doing rear speakers, continue to watch our other videos as we show you how to swap out the speakers in your tour pack or how to cut in 6x9 lid kits into your saddlebag lids as we did in this bike. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video series has definitely made this a much easier process for you and took a very large job and broke it down into little tasks that were easy enough for just about anybody to do. If you're interested in one of our plug and play packages, maybe you haven't bought one yet, please look at volunteeraudio.com. If you've got questions on what to order and you need some help, give us a call at 1-844-30-AUDIO. Please like this video. That's going to allow other people to find it. Other people will watch our channel. It'll move it up in search results, and we can reach more people, and we appreciate you liking the video and helping us with that. Definitely subscribe to the channel. That'll allow you to see other new content as it comes out, other step-by-step videos, along with the latest Harley audio as it comes out. We'll review it, and we'll show you all about it, so you'll be the first to know. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.